we'll be doing question number 8. We'll be using same formula an or last term tn or an. We can denote with anyone. So tn or an is equal to what? A plus n minus 1d, where what? N is the last term or tn is the last term, a is the first term, n is the number of term, d is what? Common difference. And d, how to find d? If ap is given, d formula is what? A2 minus a1 or a3 minus a2, anyone you can use it. Okay, so here let us see. We have what? First one, what you will write here? Solution will be here. First term will be what? You will write down a1 or a. Yes or no? a1 equal to 2, 1, 3. a2, you have 2, 0, 5. Now dot dot dot, we have an last term, an or tn, right? You will write an or tn. I'm writing an is equal to 37. So we got this. Now what we have to find? Middle term. Let us see here. So now formula will be what? For d, common difference, a2 minus a1. You will write a2 is what? 205, right? 205 minus a1 will be 213. So now from greater number subtract the smaller number. So 230 minus 205 will be what? 8. This one is greater. I will put the minus sign because here minus. This will be minus. Now what we have to find? N, right? So for n we can use this formula. N is here, so we can use this formula because n we have, yes, n value is here, a value is here, a1 or a, right? And d is what? Common difference is here. So use that formula. We know what we know. We know this what? an is equal to a plus or a1 plus a or a1, same thing. Remember that. Okay, n minus 1 into d. So hope you understood this formula and learn it. Okay, we cannot deduce this formula at this stage. So now we will just try to remember this. an, put this value 37 equal to a. How much? A or a1, I said same. You can write a1 or a. So a we have what? 2, 1, 3 plus a minus 1, a minus 1, d we have minus 8. I will write minus 8 into, you can put. Now what you will write in next step? 37 will be 37 equal to 213 plus. Now see here, very careful with the sign. Okay, when we were doing question number 2, subdivision 2, we have to see there also we make little bit mistake, so you can correct that one. Okay, how will correct? We have to be careful with the sign. Plus into plus into minus, it will be minus. 8 into n will be 8n. Now plus into minus into minus, it will be what? Plus 8 into 1, 8. Now plus, if both the term are plus, you will add it. 37, this 2, 13 plus 8. So we can add it. So 8 plus 3, it will be how much? 8 plus 3, so 9, 10, 11, right? 1 plus 1, we have 2. Then this 2 will be here only, minus 8n. Now we will bring number one side. So what I will do, I will bring 8n this side. So it will be plus 8n. I will take 37 other side. So it will be 2, 2, 1. Here plus, if we take other side, minus 37. Now we have 8n. Now subtract 11 minus 7, we have 4. Then what? Here also we have 1. So we will borrow 1 from here. 11. 11 minus 3, we have what? 8. Next what we will have here? 1. Now n will be what? Next step, we will have n is equal to 1, 8, 4. Then 8 is into here, so it will come this side, divide. 8 2s are 16, 2 is 2, 4, 24, right? So 8 3s are 24. We got what? We are getting n is equal to 23, which is what? Even or what? Which is a 23 is even number or odd number. So odd number, it cannot be divided by 2. So which is an odd or odd numbers, right? Odd number. Now we have to find, we get number of term 23, but they are asking find the middle term. So middle term, which one is middle term? N, you know, number of term from here to here is 23, but which one will be in middle? So remember this formula for middle term. I will give you the formula middle term. How to find the middle term? So middle term, when n is first one, write down n is what? Odd. When n it will be odd, then which formula you will use for middle term? Middle term. formula will be n plus 1 divided by 2 th term, okay? Or when n is what? Even. When n is even, so then middle term will be what? Middle term equal to n by 2 th. And what? One more here, we have to remember 2. N by 2 plus 1 th. So this when n is odd, middle term will be n plus 1 by 2 th. When n is even, middle term will be n by 2 th and n by 2 plus 1 th. So you have 2 or 3 terms related by using this formula, okay? So learn this one now. So which is an odd number? So when odd number, what will be formula? First one, we write middle term equal to, first formula is what? N plus 1 by 2 th. So it will be n plus 1. N is what? How much? N 23. We write 23 plus 1 by 2 th. Then 23 plus 1 will be 24 by 2 th. Cancel 2 1 2, 12 24. So 12 th. Now we have to find what? We have to find T12 value. So we'll write T12 or A12. I write A12, okay? A12 will be what? A12, so AN. What is A? You will write A or A1 plus n minus 1. So at place of n we are writing 12, so it will be 12 minus 1. Now plus into D. D will be D. A12 you will write A12. A how much? Let us see A or A1 is same. I am saying again and again first term. So it will be what? 2, 1, 3. Plus 12 minus 1 will be 11. D how much we got here? See, minus 8 you will write here. Minus 8. So 2, 1, 3 will be same. Now plus into minus. 11 into 8 will be 88. Subtract how much you are getting? 30 minus 8. It will be 5. Then we have here 10 minus 8. We have 2, then here we have 1. So this is our answer. We got the A12 we got 125. They have asked what? Middle term. Middle term is A12. 12th term, we have A12 or middle term, value is 125. So this is our answer for question number 8. Let us move to next question. I hope you are clear with this. Next question we have here, question number 9. In the AP, we have what? 1, 7, 13, 19, then 13, 19, dot, we have what? 4, 1, 5. We have to prove that sum of middle term is equal to sum of first term and the last term. So middle term we have to find, and then we have to prove that that is equal to sum of first term and the last term. So now let us see here. First find out the middle term. AP, I hope it's correct. 1, 7, 13, 19, dot, it's we have till 450. So now we will write what? A1, we have 1, A2, 7, you can write till A3, A4, A4, 5. We need what? AN for the formula. I will write for A1, 4, 1, 5. What you already know what we are going to find. Always we are finding the difference, so we find here difference. Formula will be what? It will be A2 minus A1. A2 we have 7, so 7 minus sign minus A1 we have got 7 minus 1 we got what? We are getting 6. Now what will be next? We have to find, we have to show what? We have to show that, prove that sum of the middle term is equal to sum of the first term and the last term. So let us first find out the middle term. So you know that middle term formula is this one or this, right? So we need the value of n, then only we can apply this formula. So for that we will use this. We have what? We have an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into what? D or a1. Okay, a or a1 is this one. Now an how much? 4, 1, 5. We'll write 4, 1, 5 equal a how much? A1, we'll put A1, n minus 1, we'll write same thing, n minus 1, D we got 6. Now, 4, 1, 5 will be same, 1 will be 1, 6 into n, it will be 6n, plus if you multiply with plus same, plus into minus, you will have minus, 6 into n, 1 will be what, 6 now. 415 equal to 6 plus 1 and minus 6. So 6 is greater, we'll take 6 minus 1 will be what? 5, but this is greater, so sign will be minus, plus 6n. Now I will take n this side, number other side. So when I take 6n this side, it will become what? Minus 6n. This is adding here, so it will come this side minus. Now minus 5 will be minus 5. 415 here plus, if it will go other side, it will be minus 415. Now next what we will get? Minus 6n will be same. Now minus 415 minus 5, it will be how much? Okay, so let us see what we will get here. So we will be getting what? 415 plus 5, it will be what? Minus 4. It will be minus 4 what? 420. That's minus 6n. Now see here, n will be what? N will be what? Minus 420 by minus 6. Minus minus cancel. 6 1 is 6, 6 7 is 42, 1 0, I'll put 1 0. So we got 70, right? We are getting here, therefore n is equal to what? 70, which is even or odd number, which is what? Even. For even, you already know the formula. For even, middle term formula will be what? When n is, I will use this side, okay? Will be using when n is even. So you will write this formula, right? You write middle term equal to what? Middle term we have n by 2. We write middle term equal to n by 2, then th, and n by 2 plus 1, then th, then n by 2. So n we have 70, we'll write 70 by 2, then th, and it will be what? N by 2, so it will be 70. N is 70 here, n is 70, we'll write 70 by 2 plus 1 will plus 1 th. Now 2, how many times 70? 35. Then 2 we have 35. So it will be what? 35th. Then what? And 35 plus 1 will be 36. We got 35 and 36 what? Middle term. So we have to find this 35th term and 36th term. Okay, so let us find T35 or AN35. So AN35 will be how much? We have what? AN35 or A35, sorry, it will be A35. So remember now the formula A plus n minus 1, so 35 minus 1 will be what? 34. So directly you write here, 34 minus 5 minus 1 will be 34, then T. Then A, how much? A1 or A same, so you write 1 plus 34, then D. D is 6, you will write here 6. See how much we are getting? 1 will be 1, 6 4 ja 24, 6 3 ja 18, 18 plus 2, 20. So we got how much? We are getting here 205. Okay, multiply here 6 4 ja 24, 6 3 ja 18 plus 2, 20. So we got 205. Now find A35, we got A36. A36, we have what? A plus, just minus 1 from here, so it will be 35 into D. So A will be 1, A already 1 here, plus D how much? D we will have, D will be having what? Here, D what we have here? 35 will be 35, D, put the value of D, 6. So now 1, 6 5 ja 30, 6 3 ja 6 5 ja 30, 6 3 ja 18 plus 3 will be 21. So we are getting this. So ADT will get how much? We'll get 211. Yes, 211. Now, sum of these two terms we have to show that it will be equal to first term plus last term. So what we have to write? We have to add these two. Now, A35 plus A36. A35 plus A36 is equal to A35, 205. A36, we have what? 211. So we have written that, edit 5 plus 1, we have 6. We can write here 1, And what we can write? 2 plus 2 will be 4. Or we can write what here? 1 plus 4, 1, 5. Yes, 416 we can get also 1 plus 415. So we can have 1 is what? 1 is the first term, A1 or A, plus what? This is the last term, A1n. So you can write equal to first term plus last term. So we have what? Already shown this one. So they are asking so. So we have already shown or proved. If it's so, so we have written what? Proved. Okay, so we'll write proved here. Okay, proved, so we'll write proved. We have proved it. Now we'll move to next question. I hope you are clear till here. So we'll be moving to next question. We will go fast. Question number 10 we are having here. AP given what? They are asking which term of AP, which term of and question number 10 of the AP, 5, 15, 25 dot 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 will be 130 more than its 31st term. So 130 more than 31st term. So what I will write? We have to find n, right? We'll write let n term be the required term and nth be the required term. I will write like this. Okay, now you know we can from here we can find A1. So A1 is what? We have 5. A2 we have what? 15. Now let us see. We will find what? Difference. Let us find difference will be what? A2 minus A1. So 15 minus 5 it will be 10. We got the difference 10. Now we know that what we know. We know what? From the question, what they are asking? Which term of the AP 5, 15 and 35 will be 130 more than its 31st term. So we will use that AN formula. I will use that AN will be what? Equal to how much will be 130. So 130 more than its first term. First, let us say 31st term we write with 30, 31 or A31, right? Plus 130 more, so it will be 130 more. AN, you know the formula, it's what? A plus N minus 1, then it will be D. Then T31st also formula will be A plus what? 31 will be what? 30 D plus 130. Now A present both sides we can cancel. Now multiply, put the value of D here, so it will be N minus 1 D, how much? We have the 10 here, D equal to 30, then D what we have? We have the 10 here, plus 130. I hope clear till here. So now we multiply with 10 into n will be 10n, plus into minus, 10 into 1 will be 10, then 30 into 10 will be what? 300 plus 130. Next step I will write 10n is equal to 300 plus 130 will be 430, minus 10 will go that side, so it will be plus 10. So next 10n will be equal to 430 plus 10 will be what? 440, or will be what? N is equal to 440 by 10. When you will cancel 10, it will be what? 44 there, or 0 you can cancel. So you got what? N is equal to 44. So what you write? What will be our answer? So therefore required term is what? Required term is equal to what? 44 or 44 term. Yes or no? So our answer will be 44 or 44. So I hope clear till here. Question number, we are doing which question number? 10. So required term is 44. So this is our answer. Now we will be moving to question number 11. question number 11. Let us write question number 11 here. If the 10th term of AP is 52, 10th term of AP is 52, and 17th term is what? 20 more than the 13th term. Find AP. I hope you still remember from exercise 5B how we find the AP. We need A and we need the D. We can easily get the AP. How we find? We first A plus 0D, or directly A, second one A plus 1D, then third one A plus 2D, dot dot dot, it will continue, A plus ND, last one. So now here, if the 10th term of AP is 52, 17th term is 20, more than 30 and 13th term, find the AP. So now we write here, let A be the, or A1, okay, A be the first term. You remember that this one you can write for all the question, okay? A be the first term, then D be the what? Common difference. I will not teach this in writing all the question. It's your job. Whenever A, D, N, all you need to write. So D, N will be what? N will be the number of term. Number of what? Term. Then AN is what? N be the, or AN we also denote with TN. I will write here with TN or AN, same thing. So we write TN or AN. Be the what? Be the last term. Now use 10th term of the AP is 52. You write T10, AN T10, yes, or A10 is equal to what? 52 is given. A10, how will write? At place of A10 you can write A plus N minus 1. Then D, or you can write N minus 1 means 10 minus 1 will be what? 9. D is equal to 52. I can also write like this, A is equal to 52 minus 9D. Equation 1. I hope clearly here. Let us see, we can take A or we can also get D. If we keep D this side, we will have to say A other side. Now read other. 17th term is 20 more than 13 terms. So 20 terms. Now according to question here also we have according to question. Write in full form according to question. Now or by question you can write. 17 terms. So T17 is you know equal 20 more than 13 terms. So 30, 13 and how much more? 20 more. Okay, I hope it's 20. Yes, 20 more. Now T17 I will write A plus how much? 16D. Yes, 17 minus 1, 16D. So this is the formula, A plus N minus 1D. So N minus means 17 minus 1. So 16D. T13 what will write? A plus 13 minus 1 will be 12D plus 20. So whenever you have to write AN, we know A plus N minus 1D means you subtract this number from this, you have to subtract 1 and write here. Okay. So now if I have to find A10, what I will write? A10, so I will write A, I will write A plus 10 minus 1, so it will be 9D. So directly I am using this one. Okay, A13, so A plus 12D and plus 20. Now A, both side cancel. Now 16D, you will write 16D. You take 12D this side, so minus 12D equal to 20. Now 16 minus 12 will be what? 4D equal to 20. Now D will be what? 20 by 2. Now cancel 2. Now 2 it's 4 will be going this side, so 4. 4, 5 are 20. We got D is equal to 5. Let us find out A by putting in this equation. So we write from what? From 1 or from equation 1. So from equation 1, we write down equation 1, A plus A equal 52 minus 9D. 52, right? Now put value of D here. A will be A. 52, you write 52 minus 9D, how much? 5. You write here 5. A is equal to 52 will be 52, 9, 5, they are 14, 5. Then 52 minus 45, A we got 7. Now we got A, we got D. So you use this formula for finding the what? We have to find the AP. So therefore, the required AP, know the formula always. Okay, what is the formula? We have what? The required AP. We have what formula? A plus, first one will be what? A plus D or 0D. 0 into D. A plus 2D. A plus 3D. So A will be how much? A we have 7. I will write 7. 0 into D. So 0 into, yes, 0 I will let us write here. 0 into you have 5 plus A plus 2D. A we have what? 7. 2 we have 2. D we have got from here 5. So we write into 5. Plus dot 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 here. Okay. A plus, so it will be 7 plus 3 into 5. Then dot dot comma and give dot dot. 7 will be 7 because 0 into 5 will be what? 0. Then comma 7 will be 2 5 10 plus 7 will be 17. Then 7 will be 7 5 3 15 plus 7. It will be 22. Right? So we are getting 7. Then next we have obtained what? 17. 7 5 2 10 plus 7 17 and 22. So this we are getting for question number 11 7. Next one we are getting what? Okay, let us see. First one here we have is something. It's 1D, then this will be 2D, right? So here it will be 1. So 5 into 1. 5 plus, yes, 5 plus what? 5 into 1, 5 plus 7, it will be 12. Then 7 will be 5 to 10 plus 7, we have 17, okay? So we have missed that 1D, then 2D, then 3D, okay? So I hope clear. I have written this formula, I'll use this one. And dot dot dot. So this is the required AP. Okay. Now we will move to next question. Question number 11 we have done. So question number 12. It's very important. I will try to cover all the important questions today itself. Question number 11 we have finished. Now question number 12. The ninth term of AP is equal to 6 times its second term if its fifth term is 22, then find what? AP. So 6 term is 70. 6 term is, if its fifth term is 22. 6 term of AP is, sorry, if the ninth term of AP is 6 times into its 6 term and 6 times its second term. If its fifth term is 22, find the AP. Now let us again, you will write same thing. A is the first term, B is the common difference, N is the last term, and N is the number of terms. Okay, I will directly start. I hope you are clear with the notation. Okay, so we will start with the solution directly. Let us write 9 term. It's given according to question. What is given? 9 term we write with T9 or A9 is what? Equal to 6 times. 6 times how? The second term. So 6 into T2. And then here what we can write? We can write AN. What we will write? 9 term, right? A9, we can write A9. A9, how we write? A plus 8D is equal to 6 into what? A plus 1D, or you can write D. 1D or D. Now A plus 8D. Now 6 into A will be have 6A. 6 into D we have the 6D. Now bring A one side and D other side. So we have 8D. I bring this D this side, so minus 6D. 6A, I will take this A this side, so minus A. Now 8 minus 6, we have 2D is equal to 6 minus A will be what? 5A. Now D we have what? D we have 5A by this 2, you can take other side, so 5A by 2, equation 1. Now if its fifth term is 22, write down T5 or A5 is what? T5 or A5 you can write is 22. T5 we know the formula, everyone. A plus what? 5, so 5 minus 1, 4D equal to 22. we are using that formula a plus this formula and getting this next term directly. Okay, you can use that formula. So now a, you will write what? A will be a, 4 will be 4. Put this d value here and get the value of a. So d, we will put what? 5a by 2 is equal to 22. And write down from equation what? From 1 we got, or using 1. Okay, using equation 1 here. Okay, we are using 1 where at place of d we are putting this value with the help of this equation. 2 2s are 4. Now see, a 5 2s are, we have got the 10, a plus 22. A 1a plus 10a will be what? 11. A is equal to 22. Take a is equal to 22. 11 will come this side and divide. So 11 2s are 22. A we got what? 2. Now what we have to find here? Find the AP. We got A. Let us find the D. So from what? From 1 we can find easily D. From 1 A, D is equal to 5A by 2. D is equal to 5A value put here. A we have 2, so 2 by 2. So we have 10 by 2 or equal to what? 2 5 is 10. We got D 5. A we got 2 and 5. D we got 5. We can easily write the AP. AP will be what? AP we know that what? A plus 0D, A plus 1D, A plus 2D. Then dot 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 it continue. So A plus 0 into D will be 0. So we can write A. So value of A is what? 2. Then plus 0. D what? 5. Then A how much? 2. Plus 1 will be 1. D how much? 5. Then what? A how much? 2. D plus 2. D how much? It will be 5. Then dot dot dot. Yes. Simplify these 2. Then 2, 5 on the 5 plus 2, 7. Next, 5 to the 10 plus 2 will be what? It will be 10 plus 2, 12. I hope this will be your, you understood this one. So this is your answer for question number 12. Okay, we got what answer here? 7, 12. We are for question number 12. 2, 7, 12. You can find the next term also. So we are, I just found out the 3. You can write for next one what? A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and so on. Okay, so clear this. Now we will move to question number 13. It's same, so we will try now 13. So question number 13, let us write down. Question number 13, the 24th term of an AP is twice 10th term. Twice what? Its 10th terms. We have first statement, this is first condition we have to get from here. Then what? So that it's is 72th, 72 second. Okay. So term is 4th times its 15th term. So we have to show the 72 term. 3 is what? 4 times its 15. Means what? T70 equal to 4 into T15. Okay. 4 into 4 times its 15 terms. So now let us first see first condition. Next, here also you will write all the symbol. A is the first term, D is the common difference, N is the last term, or Tn is the last term, and N is the number of terms. So now 24th term, right? So T24th. So you write what? T24 is term of an AP. Is means equal. It's 10th term. 10 means what? Twice its 10. So 2 into what? 10 terms. So T10. T24 you can write what? A plus 25D. 2 will be 2, 10, what you write? A plus 9D. A plus 9D, that, yes, A and A minus 1. So 10 minus 1, 9, then D. Here, T24, so A plus what? A minus 1D. So A minus 1 means 24 minus 1 will be what? Yes, it will be 23D. Clear? So let us, somewhere we have done mistake in calculation or writing the value. So A will be A I hope till here you have understood. So a plus what? 23d, 2 into a will be 2a, 2 9 it will be 18d. Bring d one side and a one side. Right? So I will take 23 that side. So a will be a here. Minus 2a is equal to what? 18d minus 23d. Now minus 2a, so it will be what? Minus a. Here also minus, we got 5d. 23 minus 18, we have 5d. Minus what side we can cancel, so we have a is equal to 5d, equation 1. Now next, we will find t what? T72. So let us find T72 will be what? A plus 71d. Okay, a how much? A we will write this value, a 5d plus 71d. So 5 plus 71 will be 76d. Okay, 76. And mention here we are using equation or you can write directly a is equal to 5d. From where? From 1 we are getting this. From 1 we have obtained this. A is equal to 5d. So a we are writing 5d. Now let us find T72. Now last one T15. T15 will be what? A plus 14d. So a we will write same value 5d, and we are using, we mention here using equation 1 or from equation 5d plus 14d. So 14 plus 5 it will be 19d. So I hope you are clear till here. We will write here equation 2, then equation what? 3, but we have to show that what? We have to show that T72 is 4 times each 15 term. So let us find what? 4th time of T15. So 4 into T15. So 4 will be 4 T15. So T15 we got 19 into D. Yes. So 19 into D. So 19 into D. 19 4 ja. 76D. So yes, we got this. We write equation 3. We got 4T15 is equal to 76D. So now see 72 terms. We got what? 76D, and 4 times is equal to 4 times each T15. So T15 also we are getting same. So we can write what? From now we have what? Now we have from equation from what? From 2 and 3. From 2 and 3. With 2 and 3 each here we have 4. We have 4. So 2 and 4. We have what? We have these two equal, right? This one and last one we will write this T12 is T12 or 72 is equal to T 4 times of T15 or is equal to what? 76 D. We have to show this. So we have shown, right? Shown or shown you can write. So clear with this question number 13. Now let us move to question number 13. We are done. So now we will be moving to next question. Okay, question number 15 as well as question number 14 is similar, right? We will be moving to question number 16. It's very, very important. Okay, other question you will try similarly. So I will be doing what for now? For the time being, I will do question number 16. Okay, for today this will be last question, and you have to do this question and try other questions similarly. You will be able to solve. So question number 16 what we have. Let us see. Question number 16 we have here. Very important. Find the number of all three digits natural numbers which are divisible by 9. So we have to find all the 3-digit number. Okay, find the number of all 3-digit number that are divisible by 9. But 3 digits, you know that 9, 18 also divisible by 9. But we need the 3-digit number, right? 3-digit number that. So lowest 3-digit number which are divisible by 9 is what? So read the table of. Yes, so 3-digit number you know it start from 100. So 100 is not divisible by 9, 101 are not divisible by 9, 102 also. So 100 I think 8 will be divisible by 9. So you write what? lowest, you will write here lowest solution. What solution will be lowest three digits number which is divisible by 9 is what? Is, see, 1, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, it's not divisible, but 108 is divisible. So 108 is the first one. I hope you are clear till here. Next, so next one will be what? Greatest three-digit number. So greatest means you know that 1000 it's till 999 is the three-digit number. After that, it's four number. If you write 1000, it's four-digit number, right? So 999 and it's no, it's divisible by 9. So we write what? Greatest three-digit number is what? 999. So this will be what? Lowest one is first term. 108 will be what? First term. A1 will be what? 108. You can write first term, okay? A1 I am writing this one. Next one, last term, AN or TN, 999. You have to find the number of terms. Let N be what? N be the number of terms. But we know that we need the common difference. Yes or no? So you can write A1, then you will try to find the common difference will be what? So 8, after 108, so which number will be divisible by what? 9. So 8, 9 here, 108 plus 9, it will be how much? So it will be 9, 8 plus 9, it will be, yes, 117, okay? This will be, yes, so it will be this number, right? So if you divide this number, it will be divisible. So you will find out what common difference is, but A2 minus A1, you will get what common difference, it's 9. So that way also you can find out directly you can write D is equal to 9 because they are asking number divisible by 9. So 117 again you will get here also 9. Okay, so 108 subtract. So 17 minus 8, 9. So you will have what? 0, 0. So you got 9. Okay, so now let N be the let what? N be what? Number of terms. So you know that we have this formula An is equal to A plus N minus 1, then D. Last term An already we have here, right? Last term is what? An, yes. Greatest term of 3 digit we will write with An or Tn. So An we have 999. A we have what? 108 plus N minus 1. D you know that we have 9 because they are asking number divisible by 9. Okay, find the number, all the number divisible by 9. Okay, so now 999 will be 999. 108. 9 into 1 will be what? 9. 9 into N, 9 plus into minus, minus 9 into 1, 9. N we cannot forget here, 9. Now 999, 108 plus 9, you know that it will be 117 plus what? But it's minus, no? 108 minus 9. So minus 9 it will be how much? 108. 18 minus 9 will be what? Yes, 18 minus 9 it will be 9. So you have 18 here, now here. What we have? 9. So it will be 99 plus 9n. Next bring this n this side and this one you can take other side. So it will be what? Minus 9n is equal to 99. Take this one plus, it will go this side, minus 999. So now minus what? Minus 9n. 999 minus 99 will have over how much? It will be 900. This is greater, put the minus sign. Now next what you will get here? N is equal to 900, minus sign will be here, minus 9. 9 is into here, so it will go other side and divide. So minus minus cancel, 9 1 ja 9. So 20 you put T2. So N we got how much here? N is equal to 100, right? Here 100 we are getting after cancellation. So what you will write here? What? Number of terms, number of all the three. So number of terms equal to what? 100. So between 108 and 999 we will have this term. Okay, so I hope you are clear till here. So now for today we will stop here. Other question you will try similarly. Next day we will be starting with the new exercise that will be based on the summation. Okay, summation of the series. So only one question, all the question, important question I have covered. If you practice this question, you need to try other questions. So please write down your homework. So your homework will be what? Your homework will be question number 14, question number 15, 14, 15, and then 16 I have done just now. So next will be what? 15, 18. So these three questions, if you will do, then all the important sums will be covered here. So I hope you are clear with 14, 15. Your homework will be 14, 15, and 18. Thank you everyone.